This is how you can track a video clip or footage in Capcut Mobile, completely for free tutorial.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. Presets and effects for life, click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial.
Select your video so it's highlighted and go down and scroll to the right until you see the option camera tracking next to volume and retouch. Click the second option, camera tracking, but in this case this is what we have. And let's say we want to track our subject completely for free in Capcut. So again, make sure it's selected and highlighted, go down, scroll to the right, and click the option where it says camera tracking. Click camera tracking, the second option. You have a different options to track the face, the body, hands, or custom. In this case, we're going to click body and click track. Now, if it says the subject hasn't been found, you want to go to the beginning, and now Capcut Mobile has successfully detected and click track. As you can see, this may or may not take time, but so far it's looking pretty good. There are additional options and settings. You can make this completely better. Scroll down and click all three of these options. Fit to canvas, keep body size, and blur canvas. Click the checkmark icon, and this is what we have. Completely for free.